Hey, welcome back to another video of Total Tesla. My name is Craig. Today, I'm going to review a couple products here. It's that time of the year. We're just less than a week away from Thanksgiving, and people are thinking about the holidays. And it's almost 60 degrees here in St. Louis. So, got a couple products here that Evbase sent me. And what I like to do is give you a little demo here. The first product that we're going to do, these are the door latch covers. They're really nice. They're not going to hurt any of the surfaces. They're going to cover up the metal that's around the door and provide you some protection over the years. And it'll make it look nicer too. Plus, it may dampen some of the sound when you close your doors. So we'll actually install those real quick. And I think a big topic, especially with Tesla, has been the emergency latch. And these are an easy install too as well. And this is nice because now you know exactly where to pull if you can't get out of the car in an emergency. So let's install these real quick and then take a look. Thanks again for watching. We'll be right back. All right, so this is the door latch right here. And I mean, it's built really nice. It's just, it's chrome. But we want something to look a little bit nicer. But one thing I want to check out here is the sound. So let's see what the sound sounds like when we shut the door. One more time. And so what we'll do is, here we are. This is the Evbase package. And it comes in a set of 4. And they're really easy to put on. So basically, you'll get up closer. And it just fits around just like that. Really easy. Now let's take a look and see what that sounds like. I think it's a little, less dampening for you. So, yeah, but it looks nice. Now let's install the rest real quick. And these say right on the bottom of it, so real easy. It does look a lot nicer than just that metal. These are excellent for a stocking stuffer. Yeah, it looks really good. All right, let's get the front one. And this is the front right, so. It looks really good. All right, and the other product, and I think this is genius, but the emergency door latches are better this time around, but they're still not what I call up the standard with Tesla. But Evbase sent out these emergency latches. And in case of emergency, you'll see the red tab and the pull, and then the door will come unlocked for you. And hopefully you'll never have to use it, but let's install it real quick. All right, now it's really kind of hard to see, but the emergency latch is right here. And they covered it with a piece of felt basically, and then you'll see the yellow pull tab right here. And that will unlock the door. In this case here, we're not going to use that. We're going to take the cover off. And then we're going to loop it really with the bottom of this clip. And it does tell you on the back of it that this is for the left side. So it's really easy. You can't mess up. So let's install it real quick. All right, so basically you're going to take this and hook it in to the side, just like that. And this one says the right side. I'm going to push that down. There we go. And it's in. And then when you need to pull for an emergency, you'll see obviously the color, so that's going to be really nice. And then you would just lift up and that cable would release the door. It's a very simple installation. And I like it because now it's seen by your passengers and it's really easy to get to. Let's do the other side real quick. All right, and these are all noted with the right or left, so you know exactly which one. And this is going to be facing forward. So to take the cable, I would just do like the side of it. And then press it down. Really easy. Got to do I think the front goes in first. There it is. It'll snap right into place. So if you ever, obviously, God forbid, you have an emergency, you press up, and then you'll be safe. All right, well, there you have it. Thanks to Evbase for sending the products out. This is great, like I said, stocking stuffer for your family, friends, co-workers that have Teslas. And right now, Evbase is giving 26% off using my discount code, Total Tesla. And I'll link that all in the description. So very easy process, very easily installation. And I hope you like the product and demonstration today. So let me know in the comments, and please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching Total Tesla. Thanks to Evbase for sending out some great products. Take care.